Today I'll show you how to give admin access in WordPress easily. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, click Users in the left sidebar, then click Add New User. When an Add New User page opens, you'll see username, email, first name, last name, and website. Type a specific username like Jordan Admin, not just admin. In email, use their real inbox because WordPress sends the password reset link there. First and last name are optional, but fill them in so the user list stays readable. Now move to the password area. WordPress generates a strong password automatically, but I don't use that for someone else because it's awkward to send. Click Generate Password to get a fresh, strong password, then copy it into a password manager. If you type one, use a long passphrase with numbers and symbols. Never reuse your own admin password here. Next, find the role drop-down near the bottom of the form. Click it and you'll see Subscriber, Contributor, Author, Editor, and Administrator. This is where most people get it wrong. Subscriber only edits their profile, Contributor and Author write posts, Editor manages content, and Administrator gets the whole site. Select Administrator. That gives access to posts, pages, media, comments, plugins, themes, users, and settings. Only use it for someone you completely trust. Now scroll down and click the blue Add New User button. WordPress creates the account and sends a login email to them. When the page refreshes, you'll see the new user in the All Users list. Now the person needs their login link. Give them your domain/wp-admin or your domain/wp-login.php. If you created a password, don't email it in the same message as the username. Send it through a password manager or a separate secure message. Open a new incognito window and go to that login page. Type their username or email, then the password, and click Login. When they land on the WordPress dashboard, they'll see the same left sidebar you see. That means the login works. Back in your own dashboard, go to Users, All Users. Find their username in the list and look at the role column. It says Administrator. That confirms the account saved correctly. If the person already has an account, skip Add New and go to Users, All Users. Hover over their name and click Edit. Scroll down to the role dropdown, change it to Administrator, then click Update User at the bottom. You'll see the role change in the list immediately. Don't ever share your own admin username and password. If you give someone your personal login, you can't remove their access without changing your own password. Create a separate account for each person. For a designer, developer, virtual assistant, or business partner, make one login per person. For example, John Developer with John's email, Sarah Editor, Mike Author. That way you can see exactly who changed what on the site. Only use Administrator when it's actually necessary. If someone just writes posts, edits pages, and uploads media, set their role to Editor instead. Editor manages most content but can't install plugins, change themes, or manage users. In this case, we need Administrator, so leave it. If this is a temporary hire like a developer fixing your site, create a separate Administrator account. When the work is done, go to Users, All Users, hover over their name and click Edit. Change role to Subscriber or Editor, then Update User. If they no longer need an account, click Delete instead. WordPress asks what to do with their content. Choose Attribute All Content to another user unless you're sure you want to delete the posts and pages they created. Before you delete any administrator, make sure you have another working admin account and you know your own password. Never delete your only administrator account. You'd lock yourself out. If your screen doesn't match this, check whether you're on WordPress.com. A self-hosted WordPress site has Users and Add New in the left sidebar. WordPress.com has its own user management under Settings and Plan options, so the exact roles can differ. For basic admin access, you don't need a plugin. The built-in Users Add New User screen is enough. Skip the role editing plugins unless you have a custom permissions set up. While you're in Users, All Users, check who else has Administrator in the role column. If you don't recognize a name, edit them and lower the role. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on any admin account. Keep WordPress plugins and themes updated. Once the account is working, go to Users, All Users, and hover over their name. If they didn't receive the email, click Send Password Reset to generate a fresh link. That's faster than deleting and recreating the account. Then go to Users, Profile, and enable two-factor authentication on your own admin login if your security plugin offers it. The last thing you want is to hand out an admin account and then lose your own. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for how to give admin access in WordPress.